Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be reviewing one of the top rated mattress companies out there, Nolah, and specifically their Nolah Evolution 15-inch mattress. Now, I used to have trouble sleeping a lot of it. I woke up a lot during the night, but after using Evolution for about a year now, I can say that my sleep isn't perfect, but it's definitely improved significantly. So in this video, I'll talk about Nolah's features, their pros and their cons, their pricing, and everything else that you need to know before you decide whether or not it might be the right mattress for you. And just to put it out there, when I originally got my Nolah, I managed to find a special link that automatically applied a discount, which I wouldn't have been able to get had I gone straight to their website. So if at any point you decide that you want to try them out, I'll leave that link for you down in the description as well. Now, we all know that getting a good night's sleep is important because it impacts our mood, our performance, our energy level, and our overall health. And a really big part of getting quality sleep is having the right mattress, especially one that fits your specific needs. So Nolah has mattresses for almost every type of sleeper. For example, there are specific mattresses designed for people who tend to get hot when they sleep, and others for people who are skinnier or heavier. Now, in terms of material, Nolah has the option of an all-foam mattress, one with natural latex, or a hybrid of both. And through all my research, when I initially bought my first Nolah, I decided to go with the Evolution mattress, which is a hybrid mattress that specifically provides back support and pressure relief. And it's actually been ranked as one of the best mattresses in 2023's Best Mattress for Spinal Alignment by the Sleep Foundation and the 5th best overall mattress. So it's got a breathable Euro topper and what Nolah calls air foam. The mattress is designed for excellent cushioning as well as keeping you cool at night. Now, all of Nolah's mattresses, including the Evolution, have Nolah air foam, which is a material that makes the mattress breathable and cools it down. It specifically makes the mattresses an especially good option for people who tend to get hot when they sleep because it has a nice cooling effect. Alright, so the 15-inch thick Evolution mattress is a hybrid mattress made up of 9 layers that's both comfortable and really supportive. The top layer is made of organic cotton that helps disperse the heat a bit and keeps people cool and dry. Then the second layer is a 2-inch quilted Euro topper cushion with really breathable foam. It offers really good support while you sleep. Then the rest of the layers are there for pressure relief and additional support. There are individually wrapped coils in the mattress for better flexibility, less noise, and reduced motion transfer, which is especially great for couples because it basically means that any movement will be felt and heard less by your partner. And there's also a durable foundational layer that's made from plant fiber. And lastly, there's a strong fabric that covers the entire mattress, which is made of a non-skid material that keeps the mattresses from sliding off a frame. And by incorporating all these layers, it was designed with a blend of comfort and support while still being really breathable. And I needed a mattress that would be good for my back. And because there are different options for firmness, I was able to get one that works really good for me. They're available in plush, firm, or luxury firm. The plush Evolution mattress is more soft, which makes it a great option for people who sleep on their side. It also has great pressure relief around the hip and shoulder areas, so it's also a great option for those of you who want something more supportive. Then there's the Evolution Firm, which is pretty firm. And this is the one that I recommend for people who are on the heavier side, weighing between 250 to say 350 pounds, because it provides less body contouring. And finally, the Luxury Firm, which is the one that I went with. This one has a great balance between comfort and support, which makes it a really good option for people who either sleep on their back, stomach, or side. It's actually the most popular version of the Evolution mattress, partly because it's for people with an average weight. And honestly, pretty much since my first time sleeping on it, I really haven't had any problems. I wake up pretty refreshed and I don't have any stiffness in my neck, back, or my shoulders like I used to have with my old mattress. That said, the Luxury Firm is not for people who weigh less than, say, around 130 pounds or so. If you weigh less than 130 pounds, I'd suggest going with one of their other mattresses like the original 10-inch or the signature 12-inch or even the natural 11-inch. All right, moving on. The mattress is 15 inches high. Now, it's good for taller people because shorter people might find it a bit challenging to get up onto the mattress. And another thing to keep in mind is for those of you who've been sleeping on thinner mattresses, like I was all my life, you'll need to get new sheets with larger pockets to fit the 15-inch mattress. And then another great feature of the Evolution mattress is its motion isolation, which basically means that it doesn't transfer movement from one side of the mattress to the other, like I mentioned. So if you're sharing the bed with somebody and they move around a lot, you won't feel it as much on your side as you otherwise would, which comes in really handy for couples, especially if one of them tends to wake up easily, like my wife. It also has strong edge support, so you never feel like you're going to roll off the mattress, which is a problem that we had on our last mattress. And when it comes to pricing, it costs about $1,700 for a 15-inch queen size and about $1,900 for a 15-inch king-sized one. Now, considering that a basic hybrid mattress today can easily cost at least $1,000 and upwards of $2,500 or even more for just a regular one, the Nolah's mattress falls well within the norm. They also offer a 120-night sleep trial so that you can try their mattress completely risk-free. So to wrap it up, I would highly recommend the Nolah Evolution. It's especially great for people who get really hot when they sleep because of the air foam layers that really help dissipate the heat. And regardless of the way you like to sleep, it provides targeted support, flexibility, and a lot of pressure relief. Now, the firm version is perfect for heavier weight people, while the luxury firm is good for average weight sleepers. However, if you weigh less than 130 pounds, it might be best to try out some of Nolah's other mattresses instead of the Evolution. Okay, so that's gonna be it for today. I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit that like button and subscribe for more. And like I mentioned before, if you want to try Nolah out, check out the link in the description to get that discount that I mentioned before that you wouldn't be able to get if you went straight to their website. Also, feel free to leave any questions in the comments below, and I'll do my best to try and answer them as quickly as possible. Guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.